Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to hide your account from someone in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's get into the TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now click on the three-line icon in the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. Now go to privacy. Now click on suggest your account to others. Now here are the options. If you want to hide your account from the people in contacts, you can undo this. If you want to hide it from your Facebook friends, you can undo this. If you want to hide it from the people with your mutual connections in TikTok, you can undo this. Or if you want to hide your TikTok account from someone through your links, then you can undo this one. This is the method how you can hide your account from a group of people. But if you actually want to hide it from a specific person, there is no such method of hiding it through settings. But you can simply go and unfollow the person. So you need to search for the person or the account first and go into the profile and click on this right arrow in the top right corner and click on block. Now the person is blocked and the user won't be able to look at your account. So this is how you can hide someone from your TikTok account. So that was all for this video. I hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.